Welcome to the Fabric Fault Identification Guide, a comprehensive resource for our production and quality assurance operations. This video covers Chapter 4, providing essential training and operational procedures for identifying and managing fabric defects. We will explore the scope and responsibilities of our teams, classification standards for various defects, and detailed guides for weaving and knitting faults. Our purpose is to establish a standardized system to improve detection, root cause analysis, and overall fabric quality in our manufacturing process. This guide applies to all fabric types and all departments involved, from inspection and technical teams to warehouse and production quality assurance. Each role is vital. QA managers oversee standards, inspectors identify and mark faults, technical teams correct processes, and training coordinators maintain our knowledge base. We categorize defects based on their origin, specifically focusing on weaving, knitting, dyeing, and finishing processes. Our identification procedure follows 5 key steps: observation, detection, classification, recording, and root cause investigation. Defects are classified by severity as critical, major, or minor. This determines the necessary corrective action for every role inspected. In this section, we examine common weaving defects, including issues like broken ends, floats, and variations in fabric density. A broken end appears as a vertical line or gap. It is a major defect typically caused by weak yarn or improper loom settings, requiring immediate repair. Missing ends and double ends are also significant concerns, often stemming from threading errors or yarn entanglement during the weaving process. Floats and reed marks affect fabric integrity. Regular maintenance of the harness system and reed inspection are crucial for prevention. We also monitor for yarn irregularities such as slubs or localized thick and thin places caused by machine malfunctions or tension fluctuations. Finally, we cover knitting defects, which arise from needle issues, feeder variations, or tension imbalances affecting the wale and core structure. Let's begin with the needle line defect. This major issue appears as a continuous vertical line in the wale direction, caused by a bent, worn, or damaged knitting needle. Corrective action includes replacing the defective needle and inspecting the needle bed, while prevention relies on regular maintenance schedules and daily machine inspections. Next is bar, which shows as horizontal bands visible under inspection lighting. It is often caused by mixed yarn lots, uneven dye absorption, or mechanical issues like feeder variation. For solid colors, this is considered critical. Prevention focuses on strict control of yarn lots, feeder calibration, and maintaining consistent dye recipes. We also monitor for lycra out, drop stitch, and holes. Lycra out involves broken elastane causing loose fabric, while drop stitches result from missed loops. Both are major defects. Holes, however, are critical, as they are actual openings in the fabric structure. Remember to reject the fabric if these issues are found to be excessive. Oil stains are a major concern involving machine lubrication contamination on the fabric surface. These are typically caused by oil leaks, excess lubrication, or poor maintenance. Implementing a controlled lubrication system and proactive maintenance is essential to prevent these stains and improve overall fabric quality. Moving to Section 8, we address dyeing defects. These occur during wet processing and can include shade variation, crease marks, patchy dyeing, uneven dyeing, or color spots. These issues often stem from dye imbalances, chemical inconsistencies, machine circulation problems, or temperature variations. This concludes our guide on identifying common fabric faults. By following these identification and prevention procedures, we can ensure the high quality of our production standards. For further assistance or to review specific technical documentation, please refer to the Internal Company Quality Handbook. Thank you for your commitment to excellence and for completing this instructional video on fabric fault identification. Remember to conduct all inspections with precision and maintain accurate records of every defect encountered during the process. Consistent monitoring is the key to minimizing defects and maximizing the efficiency of our manufacturing operations. Should you identify a recurring issue, follow the established root cause analysis protocols to implement permanent corrective actions. Maintaining a clean and well-lubricated machine environment is crucial to preventing many of the surface defects we have covered. Always refer to the specific classification standards provided in your department's technical manuals when evaluating defect severity. Your attention to detail ensures that only the highest quality fabric reaches our customers. This concludes our training video. Please continue to apply these standards in your daily work. If you have any questions regarding these procedures or need further clarification on defect classification, please consult your department supervisor. Thank you for watching this training video.